Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got another amazing tool. We are going to be hunting down your social media account using only your username. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a small piece of software that does a little bit of forensic for your username. And with your username, I'll put this username into this program and it will automatically go down hundreds of social media accounts around the cyber world and match your username to those websites to see if you have an actual account with them or not. If you are doing an investigation about someone and their social accounts, just maybe a little bit of online presence, there are better tools out there. There are a bunch of professional tools that will do the same job a lot better than this. But if you are on limited budget and you are looking for a free, then no doubt this is the way. The project is called Sherlock. We are using a most of probably recognize this environment is a Kali Linux and it's a free distribution. I really like Kali Linux just for this type of project, and this is just a default installation of Kali Linux. There is a quick and easy one. We'll using a Python hacking tool to find some social media accounts, and I will show you how in next 5 minutes. Now the disclaimer, don't do this to anyone with malicious intent. This is just a legitimate hacking tool using a part of hacking process to gather information about our hacking targets. What we are doing isn't technically illegal. We are just gathering publicly available information on the internet. But the lines can blur depending on your intentions. So just be careful and use this as a learning tool. But beyond that, this is amazing and let's start hacking. Here we go. The best part of that, we don't need to do anything. The tool is called Sherlock and you need Python 3 installed on your Linux distribution, which can be Kali, Parrot, Ubuntu or any other distribution like. And I'll show you how to do that right now. I'll already download the program and the folder name is called Sherlock, and that's on my desktop. So I'm inside the program. Now I will show you how to use it. Right now we will type the Python 3 Sherlock and simply put the username of the person we are looking for. Here I'm using that particularly username. Here you can put any other username you like, or the person you are looking for you can search with this username. When I press enter, start looking for this username associated with any other social media. See, the list is going on. So this program have already preset like more than 300 online where this username was checked if that is the username is there or not. So this is how you can find all the username associated with the social media's link. And it takes time, and there is another command that you can use to get doing it really quick. I can cancel the command and then I'll put the timeout and 1 millisecond. Then start again, and it will way most far. yeah, it's way more faster than the previous one. So see, all these websites have this particularly username and you can find it. So it's really a good tool to find if the particular person is on that, and or how many sites have the same similar username they are using. And instead of username you can put any person's username to get deep dive about that particular person's detail. As soon as it's finished, it'll basically list of everything, like see this 228 results is associated with that particular username. To be a more specific, then I want to do it, one of the username I can use Naham Sheikh, a well-known hacker who you should follow if you don't already. Anyway, that's all I'm going to do to this and use that particular hackers associate with this username how many social media he is using. See, that's GitHub, Gimpy, Instagram. You have the same name. Is going to is using this username, and this is how even you can use one of your friends username and get this program to see where your friend have that account. This is actually a good tool for open source intelligence, and maybe you can try with your own environment. Thank you for watching. I will use a live exist username to make it more realistic. For that I choose Neymar Jr. This is his username. I can exactly use his username to get deep dive on his social media platforms. So let's see what I find with this username. The list of social media, even in YouTube, we have that his channel. Uh, what we can do, we can have a look, and this is actually the real link, and so 151 result come up with this particular username. Instead of this username you can use any username you want. And the thing is, I'm saying that if I use the YouTube link, YouTube channel actually, yes, if I go to this YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure that I will find Neymar's official YouTube channel. Let's, yes, that's it. So it's the same username, and uh, it's his official channel. So the conclusion is, with this tool, with this free tool from open source, we can do some investigation, and this is actually the future of cybersecurity. What I think that this OSINT is the next coming challenge in near future, and we have to be prepared for that. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time with a new topic.